World's tallest prefabricated skyscrapers will be built in Singapore. A pair of skyscrapers are scheduled to become the tallest prefabricated buildings in the world. And while the two 192-meter tall or 630 feet towers will be built in a densely populated area of Singapore, large parts of the structures are being built in Malaysia. The project, which has been named Avenue South Residences, will see 988 apartments being built from almost 3,000 vertically stacked modules. The firm behind the project, ADP Architects, says the building method known as prefabricated pre-finished volumetric construction is less labor-intensive and can help reduce waste and noise pollution. The individual modules are factory-made in Senai, Malaysia, where a series of 6-sided boxes are cast in concrete. The units are then transported to a facility in Singapore to be fitted out and furnished before being moved to the construction site. When they arrive, the boxes are already 80% complete. They are then filled and lifted into position by a crane and stitched up to form a strong load-bearing frame. It's like a car manufacturing concept, but for the building industry. Limiting the amount of construction work carried out at the site, which is located in Singapore's residential Bukit Merah district, can help minimize disruption to those living nearby. This construction method helps to reduce noise. This is one of the benefits to the surrounding public housing estates. It can also reduce waste because the workmanship in a factory is much better controlled. Another unforeseen benefit has emerged in light of the pandemic. Fewer people are needed at the construction site at any given time. It is easier to control safe distancing and logistical planning in the factory, rather than having all the workers on the site. The prefabrication industry first boomed in Europe and America during the post-war period, with urban planners using it to quickly and affordably address housing shortages. But the market for prefabrication is now increasingly dominated by the Asia-Pacific region. The building method has proven specifically popular in Singapore, with the country's Building and Construction Authority actively encouraging the use of PPVC, citing an 8% cost saving and a 40% boost in productivity versus traditional construction means. This means there is more productive manpower and time savings. Since 2014, the agency has even made prefabrication a requirement for certain sites. Construction on Avenue South Residences has already begun, and the developers hope to finish the project by the first quarter of 2023. Once it is complete, the tower's facades will feature balconies, sun-shading screens, and various sky terraces that will be filled with trees and plant life. It is set to overtake Singapore's and the world's current tallest prefabrication building, the 140-meter-high Clement Canopy, which was also designed by ADDP Architects. Among the world's other tallest modular buildings is a 135-meter tower in Croydon, South London, and a 109-meter residential development in New York. They are building upwards, progressively working with the engineers, studying 3D simulations to make sure the design can withstand the wind loads. They think that 56 stories will be the tallest in Singapore for the time being. They don't think they will stretch it any further. It's concrete and we have to lift it very high, but depending on if new technology or more lightweight construction is developed, maybe there's a chance we can go higher. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about Singapore's newest, tallest skyscraper that will be made from prefabrication materials. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you have not already done so. Share the content with your friends and family.